How to clear variables in ipython. Sometimes I rerun a script within the same ipython session and I get bad surprises when variables haven't been cleared. How do I clear all variables? And is it possible to force this somehow every time I invoke the magic command %run? Thanks.
%reset seems to clear defined variables.
Edited after @erdenkaya comment. To erase a variable, use the magic command. The variables that are erased from the namespace are the one matching the given regular underscore expression. Therefore, we'll erase all the variables containing an a. Instead, to erase only a and not aa. See as well %reset underscore selective question mark for more examples and this URL for a regex tutorial. To erase all the variables in the namespace C.
In ipython you can remove a single variable like this.
I tried and cleared all the variables and contents without prompt. F does the force action on the given command without prompting for yes/no. Wish this helps. Smile.
If you want to see more, please consider